We're going to do a horn test today, my friends. We're set up far enough away from the garage that maybe I can't hear the air compressor running. Nothing permanent here. Get the horn laying on a bench. Last time I blowed this horn, it vibrated so bad it like to fell off my stool. I get a little winded sometimes because of my emphysema. COPD they call it. So occasionally when I'm talking you'll hear me getting out of breath. I can't be helped. Told everybody a lie in a roundabout way. I said I didn't have any good air pressure. Well, I got my gauge hooked up to my line coming from my compressor. It's better than I thought it was. I got it jacked all the way up. It's almost at 110 pounds. It's about 105, 106 pounds. We're going to transfer that hose over to that horn and give her a toot at several different distances. And if it don't work off my valve, we're still going to do a horn test. I'll just hook the hose straight up to the horn. But first test is going to be with the brake valve. Alright, for this first horn test, we got an official observer. You might not have noticed him, but he's up there. Gene Noam's standing on the post over there waiting for the horn to blow. It's going to be test number 1. You ready, Gene? I guess he's ready as he'll ever be. First test this afternoon is going to be 45 feet away. I know because I stepped it off. Alright, cover your ears. Not real loud. That's good. Alright, test number 2 is going to be still at 45 feet. But we're going to hook the hose straight to the horn instead of going through the valve and see if it seems any louder. I was happy with the way that worked, but it seemed like it could have been a little louder. But then again, I am wearing earplugs today. That worked pretty good, didn't it? Yeah. Cover your ears. Is that louder or the same?
Kind of sounds the same.
That's what we were testing. Alright, one more test. Alright, I've stepped off 50 yards. We're 150 feet away now. Our final test. I gotta admit, my brake valve worked better than I thought it would. We're still gonna probably get us a smaller valve. That's pretty heavy to be toting around. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed hearing my horns blow. I tried to make it sound like a train coming.